Welcome back. So we're going to continue with our 4-letter words from where we stopped on the last video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you watch based on series so that you can actually work with what works for you. I don't know if you get that. If you are a new person in the channel, please go to the playlist, and that way you're going to understand what is going on. You start with the playlist according to what matches what you will understand. If you're for beginners, you want to learn how to read, write, and speak, just make sure to focus on the beginners learning part of the spelling and writing. You get it now? So we have moved from 2-letter, 3-letter, now we're at 4-letter. In a previous video, we did some AWordFamily for 4-letter words, so we're going to continue from there. Okay, so quickly, we have the base sound as we do it: ash, as, at, art. Now this art is different from this art. Okay, we equally have ax, add, and app. Okay, we have ash, ash, ash. We have as, we have at, we have art. We still have ask. This is ask. We have add, and we have app, add. Okay, so we're going to be adding letters like we normally do. Let's start with the letter B. If we add B to ash, we have ash, bash. All right, we have bash. We add C, we have ash, cash. Okay, we have D, we have ash, dash. Okay, we have H, we're gonna have ash, that's hash. Okay, hash. If we add L, we have ash, lash. Okay, and if we add M, we have ash. We have mash. Okay, if we as well add R, we have ash, that's rash. All right, and we add W, we have ash, wash, like wash. Okay, wash. So we have bash, cash, dash, hash, lash, mash, rash, wash. Remember, this sounds like l, and this sounds like r. Okay, so we have rash and lash. Okay, so put together we have bash, cash, dash, hash, lash, mash, rash, and wash. Okay, that is wash. All right, now to the as, we can add as, bars. Okay, if we add p, we have as, that's pass. Okay, we equally add m to this, we're going to have as, mass. Okay, mass, massive. This is mass, pass, bars. All right, as, bars, as, pass, as, mass, bars, pass, and mass. All right, to this one, the first one we have at, that's bat, bat. And if we add to the letter, should we add? Okay, you can do that. Okay, anyone I'm not able to add, do add it to make a 4-letter meaningful words. Now we go to art. We have art. Okay, so if we add letter C, we have cat, that's cat. Okay, cat, it is not the cat of animal folk, we're talking about shopping cart. Okay, if we equally add F, we have fat. You can as well take your time to check out the meanings of what we have here. Okay, so make use of your dictionary to check out what we have going on here. All right, if we equally decide to add letter P, we're going to have pat. Okay, we have pat. All right, and if we as well we decide to add which other letter? you can add a letter there to make a 4-letter meaningful word. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have ask, 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 ask. So we can add B, and we're going to have bask, bask. Okay, we can equally add T. We're going to have task, task, bask. Okay, so we have bask and task. Okay, task. And if we equally decide to add M, we're going to have max. Okay, mask. This is mask. Okay, and if we decide to add, okay, you do the remaining one. Add any other letter that will make a meaningful 4-letter word based on this sound we have right here. This is actually a meaningful 3-letter word, but for this, we are regarding it as our base sound to get our 4-letter words. Okay, so we have bask, task, and mask. So you can actually add any other one you could think of down here, here, here. Okay, in that way we are learning. Now we go to the ARD, the add. Okay, so if we decide to add, let's say we add C, we have k, add, cat. Okay, if we decide to equally add maybe H, we're gonna have add, hat. And as well, if I decide to add W, I'm gonna have like word. Okay, so I have card, hard, and word. Okay, if as well I choose to add Y, I'm gonna have yard. Okay, we have card, hard, word, yard. Card, hard, word, yard. Okay, so you can do well to add the remaining one. Now we have the ARP, the app. Can you think of any word we can make out of this? If we add H, you can have app, like hap. Try adding yours. All right, so totally we have bash, cash, dash, hash, lash, mash, rash, wash. We have here as the base sound, baz, pass, mass. And we have at, we have bat, fill in the rest here. We have cat, fat, and pat, fill in the rest. We have ask as the base sound. We have bask, task, and max, fill in any other one you could think of. We have add, we have card, had, word, and yard. Okay, if there's another one remaining, you can add it here. And right here we have hap. So if there's another one, you add it here. So this is the AWord family that we can do today. Okay, so the next one we're going to do is magic E related. We're going to be talking about magic E AWord family for 4-letter words. So stay tuned. If you're seeing me for the first time, don't make it the last time you're going to be seeing this face. Make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to the family. In that way, you get notified whenever I post a new video. If this is your first time coming across the channel, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do that, try turning on your notification bell, because that will aid you get quick notifications whenever I post a new video. Before I go, I want to still remind you that our classes registration are still ongoing. If you have interest on joining our 3 months program, remember, we're going to be resuming first week of September. And once we shut the door, like once we start the class, we are not taking in new intake. Nobody will register after we've started. Okay, so you have from now till the first week of September to actually do your registration, so that you can be part of the class from the first day. Okay, in that way you don't miss out on anything. Send DM today on our WhatsApp number you can see right here on your screen to get yourself registered. And if you only have a child who has the problem as well, a child who cannot spell, read, or write, and actually register the child on the platform. We have Saturdays and Sundays strictly reserved for kids. So if you have a child that you want to register, as well, send us a message on this WhatsApp number as well to get him or her registered. Okay, don't forget to stay amazing. See you in our next one. Bye.